Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or a gig worker and you want to get guaranteed pay every single time you go out and drive, there's this new app called Solo, and when you use the link below to sign up, they're actually just going to give you $10 simply for trying out the app, totally for free, anywhere in the country. It's free to sign up, and you can get access to mileage tracking, expense tracking, help with your taxes. This awesome app Solo, you can download it right now, get 10 bucks, and again, get access to guaranteed pay. Let's get started with the video. Okay, this is a story time, guys, about how I didn't pass my background check for Uber. So a lot of you guys have been following me, and you all know that I got banned from Uber. I'm deactivated. Isn't that sad? Why in the world would Uber deactivate me? I'm the rideshare hub. You would think.
Yeah, they deactivated you because you're not the rideshare guy.
For real. Guys, let's do a poll really quick. Who do you think is better? Me or this guy here? Hold on, I'll pull him up. Y'all better say me, or else if not, I'm gonna be mad. Okay, me or this guy? Hold up. What do you guys think?
Guys, by the way, make sure you're subscribed so we can pass him in subscribers.
Do you think I'm better, or?
But let's see what the chat has to say.
Guys, vote for Rideshare Guy or Rideshare Hub. Obviously, I'm a little biased because, you know, this is me, but how do I do the smile?
No one's saying anything.
Whatever. Yeah, guys, so anyways, I got deactivated. So I didn't pass my background check because, I don't know, they just deactivated me. Somebody hacked in my account, and then all of a sudden, it said that I can no longer drive for Uber, and it said my background check is pending. I can go to my app, you guys, and show you. Should I do that really quick?
Yeah.
Let's do this. Uber. I might have deleted it.
Oh, Dead Zombie Agent said you.
No way.
Said you're better than the other guy.
No, I've talked to Rideshare Guy. He's nice. He's a cool guy.
Yeah.
Well, just in emails, we've chatted it up. Yeah, it's not loading. But there's my Uber app, guys. But basically, what happened was, it said my background check was pending, and it said to call Uber support. So what did I do? I called Uber support. And what happened? They picked up. Uber support was like, what do you want? And I was like, my background check didn't pass. And they said, okay, well, they're like, you need to make sure you have your info filled out, whatever, blah, blah, blah. I guess because my driver's license, I don't know, I needed to do a new driver's license or something. I had to do something. And yeah, here it is. Well, I don't want to show my my location, but basically,
it's not showing. It's just a white screen. It's still just nothing.
There you go. You can see that right there. It says required action, basically. And it says contact Uber about your support, about your account. And yeah, it just doesn't load. So anyways, I can't drive for Uber anymore. That sucks. Because I just want to drive all day long. Oh,
Yeah.
look, it just... Oh, now it is what it says. You guys can't read this. Oh, you know what I can do? I can put on my webcam. Okay, this is what it says. Can you read that, guys? It's time to renew your background check. You can't read this?
No.
Oh, I don't know if maybe you're not looking at the chat. But yeah, it says it's time to renew your background check. Review the following disclosures, blah, blah, blah. So now it wants me to do it again. I just saw this. This is breaking news. So I guess I'm going to try to do it one more time. Maybe it'll work this time.